everyone, and welcome to Ojo the Crocheting Sailor. I'm on to show you what I got from Lion Brand. Yes. So this is my Lion Brand haul. I can't wait to open this box. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first thing I have in this box is Mandala Tweed stripes. And this is called Knock on Wood. Isn't this beautiful? I love the colorway, and it has a myriad of different colors in there, and it's tightly wound with several colors. So you'll get a cream and yellow, you'll get a gray and fuchsia, or a rich deep pink color wound together. You'll also get a navy blue and a green wrapped tightly together, and so on and so on. So many different colors. There is a yellow and gray that's wound together, so you're getting a multicolor of different stripes. And oh, it's nice and soft. I like the feel of it. This is a medium weight 4, and it's 426 yards. That's 390 meters. It's 150 grams. This is a 5.3 ounce ball. This is 100% acrylic, and I bet it'll make something very pretty. And you can see the colors. Hopefully they'll come across clearly here, so you can see the colors as they're worked together. So I was like, oh, I had to get that. So how much did I pay for that? That was $6.29 for that ball. And did I tell you the yardage? Yes, I did. So that was 426 yards. Next, I got this Mandala roving yarn. I mean, the colors were so pretty. I had to get it. I'm telling you. Sorry for the noise. But, oh, man, this is softer than the tweed. This is much softer. But this is a roving style yarn, type yarn. And this is called Mandala Roving Divagation, is what you're seeing right here. I got 2 of these, and each one was $6.29, so I paid $12.59 for these 2 balls. Inside, you're going to see a beautiful baby peach color. It goes out into a light gray, and then a rust color, rich rust, and a burgundy, and then out into a really dark, deep, this looks like a brown color on the outside. It looks brown, almost burgundy in color. So this is very, very nice. This is 5.3 ounces. It's 150 grams, and it's 415 yards. This is 380 meters. It's 100% acrylic, and you machine wash, lay flat to dry. This is a lightweight 3. Yes, very nice. This will make a nice garment. Oh, I would love that. Or even a nice blanket, a nice squishy blanket. Look at that. Very nice. Next, we have Respect. So I got 3 of these. I had to try it for myself. Oh, one ran away. This is a lightweight 3, and this is what it looks like. This is recycled yarn, and this is in the colorway Evergreen. And it's chain spun. It's a chainette. You see right there. And it's polyester blend. And it's 100 grams, and this is 252 yards is 240 meters. So you're going to get 45% recycled polyester and 30% acrylic and 25% cotton. Oh, this will make a nice top. I would recommend this. I like how it feels. It is nice and soft on the skin. Oh, it's matching what I'm wearing. I didn't plan on that. This is nice. Sustainable stitching is what it says. Respect. So I went ahead and got these for $5.59 each. I got 3, so that was $16.77 for each one of these with this nice, beautiful hunter green. There is a tan and white in this chain neck. It is very, very pretty. I love it. Next, we have Touch of Silk. So I got 2 of these. I wanted to see what it felt like. It is 60% polyester, 20% cotton, and 20% silk. This is a medium weight 4, and you would machine wash, lay flat to dry. And I know that you all have noticed that a lot of these yarns are coming out with the lay flat to dry instead of machine wash and dry, which is interesting to me. This is the color yellow, and it's nice. It's not the softest yarn. I mean, compared to the Mandala Roving Divagation, this is a rough feel. And even the tweed has a softer texture than this recycled yarn here, which is the Touch of Silk. But it will make a beautiful top or something like that. It's a medium weight 4. And it is pretty. I like the little flecks. If you look really closely, there are flecks in there. Yes, very nice. I went ahead and got a little bit of everything, and it has everything in there that you can name. The acrylic, cotton, wool, alpaca. It is blended into this beautiful ball of yarn, and it is a bulky 5. This is hand wash, lay flat to dry. It's 45% acrylic, 26% cotton, 19% wool, 10% alpaca. And it's pretty. It's not soft. It's not really the softest yarn at all. But I don't know. I just like the fact that it had so many different fibers in it, wound together with the flex. So you're going to get, in this particular one called Cosmic Wonderland, you are going to get a lavender shade with the white flecks running throughout. And I mean, it's on both sides. It's a lot of flecks. It's just not like your natural fleck yarn. Yes, it has dozens and dozens of white flecks throughout. So I think this will make a beautiful hat and scarf set, or a cowl. This would be something that I would make with it. But I had to get a different one because I already had this little bit of everything here. And I wanted to show you the difference. It is Blue Moon that you're seeing right here that I already had. And let me look and see how this is worked up. I'll put these 2 together and show you. This is what you're going to see. Put it close together. I think it's neat. So this is what I got, and I paid $5.59 for this ball, and it is 164 yards, which is 150 meters. So you are going to need quite a few balls of this if you're going to make a top or a hat and scarf set. You will definitely need more than one ball of this. This is a bulky 5. All right, next, I got these beautiful anniversary bags. I couldn't pass them up because they are very, very nice. I may not see these again, so I went ahead and I ordered them. I like the fact that it had a nice matching tag on the front that had the Lion Brand logo on it. But these can hold a whole lot. I got 3 of these, and they were $3.99. They may still have some left, but I want to show you that it is a nice tote. And it has lionbrand.com down the side with the logo. And on the bottom it says, little bag, big difference. Can you all see that? And it looks like it's made from recycled fibers. On the bottom it says, by using this reusable bag when you shop, you help animals, nature, and people. Thank you for helping the planet one bag at a time. This is wonderful. I love it. So I'm glad that I got 3 of these. And on the other side, it has a different color. It was blue on one side, but on the other side is red. And it has the Lion Brand logo, lionbrand.com. I like these. So I plan on giving some of these away. I may keep one for myself and then giving the other 2 away. I should have got more. But I had to buy from other places. So I just grabbed a few of these while I could. But that was $11.97. I think $3.99 for that anniversary bag was a great deal to me. So let's go on to the creativity. Now, I did promote this. And I also gifted this to our sweet Granny D, my sis. And so I had to make sure that I got one for myself too. So after I sent hers off, I went back and then I bought 2. Yes, I did. These were $6.99 each. You can't beat this to get these creativity boxes with 48 bags of tea in it. So I'm going to put this close so you all can see. It has English breakfast, Earl Grey, English tea number 1. You have a mint green tea, a peach and passion fruit, black currant, a yellow lemon and ginger, and a chamomile, honey, and vanilla tea. I can't wait to try some of these. Yes. Oh my goodness. A selection of black, green, and flavored teas and fruit and herbal infusions. So you brew 3 to 5 minutes. I thought these were very nice. So I'll probably give one of these away. I'm definitely keeping one of these for myself, just so you know. But I had to jump on it. Once I promoted it, I said, okay, it's time for me to treat myself. You know? So one last thing I got were these travel mugs. And if you haven't seen these, they may still be on the Lion Brand website. Just make sure that you use my affiliate link, whether you plan to buy, or you're just browsing or window shopping, make sure you click my link in the description box. I put my affiliate link for all my affiliates and my Lion Brand affiliate in there. So check it out. Just go ahead and hit it. If you decide to buy, please go to my affiliate link. I appreciate it. The money that I do receive goes back into my channel. So when I saw these, I said, I could create these myself, but I don't have time. So I will spend $8.99 for the travel mug and get this for some of my subscribers. It says, how much yarn do you need? And I thought this was perfect because it tells you if you want to make a hat, a scarf, socks, shawl, adult sweater, baby blanket, or Afghan, how many yards of yarn you need based on the yarn weights. This was very, very nice. And I am going to put this in a giveaway. This is really nice. And it has a nice little top there. If you don't want to wait for the giveaway and you want to buy one yourself, well, go ahead and purchase one. This is very, very nice. I like the construction of it. It is very well made. It has the care instructions on the inside, and I love it. Oh, this is nice. And then you just pop it on, and then you screw it shut. So therefore, your beverage won't come out. Oh, this is made very nice. Might need to keep one of these for myself just to have from time to time. So that is it, everybody. Thank you so much for watching my Lion Brand yarn haul. I am very excited to bring all this to you. And I have more in store. I have more yarn coming from different places. So stay tuned. If you are a new subscriber, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and welcome to my subscribers that have been with me and stuck with me throughout. Thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate you. All right, y'all thought that the video was over. It is not. I am doing a quick giveaway at the end of this video. You will receive the Lion Brand tote, which is inside of this box right here. You will get the box that you see right there is going to be this beautiful Lion Brand. How much yarn do you need for your project? You're going to get this beautiful mug, and you will get a ball of respect. Who wouldn't want some respect, right? And you're going to get my nice little treat there with my business card and a couple of anchor charms. So this giveaway starts right now, and it will continue until April the 2nd at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will pick a winner, and I will send this package off to that person. So you have to be 18 years or older to enter this giveaway. And this is open worldwide. Just make sure that your country will allow you to receive this package. YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway in any shape or form, and I purchased this with my own money. I will be following the YouTube guidelines, and I will put the information and all of the rules for this giveaway in the description box down below. So it is basically packed and ready to go. All I have to do is put tape on it, pick the winner on April Fool's Day, and put a label on it and send it off to the winner. So good luck to everyone, and I will see you soon.